So I'm going to show you how to do this conditional probability question. So pause the video now if you want to take in the information. But basically it's just saying that we've got 6 red marbles and 4 green marbles. So for red, this is going to be 6 out of 10 because there's 10 in the bag in total. And green we know is 4, so that's 4 out of 10. Notice that these add up to 10 out of 10. Now, the key part of the question says he does not put the marble back in the bag. So that means that the probability changes from event to event. So does not replace, or two things get taken at once, those two things both mean conditional probability. So if I take a red out of the bag, there were 6 in the bag. If I take it out, but then leave it out, there's now only 5 red left in the bag. But because I've taken a red marble out of the bag, there's only 9 marbles left in the bag. If you didn't understand that bit, go and rewind the video and watch that bit again. Anyway, this has to be out of 9. There's only 4 greens left in the bag still. So remember, we haven't changed that. So this is still 4 out of 9. Let's go to the green part again. So with the green, if I take a green out, it was 4 out of 10. But if I take a green out, there's now only 3. And there were 10 in the bag, so now there's 9 in the bag. So this is what the first bit looks like for the full 2 marks. And then it says, work out the probability. Let me get a different color. So it says, work out a probability that Mason takes 2 marbles the same color. So if these marbles are the same color, the marbles have to be red, red, or they have to be green, green. Okay. So I want the probability of it being red and another red. If you ever use the word and in probability, it means multiply. Okay, so probability of red followed by red. So I can see red is 6 over 10, and then I want another red, so that's 5 over 9. So I'm just going to multiply these together. The top gets us 30, the bottom gets us 90. Do not simplify this unless it tells you to. Okay, so next we want, so it could be either red, red, or it could be green, green, because we want 2 marbles of the same color. So green, green is going to be green, which is 4/10, and then the second green, multiply that by the 3 9s. So we've got the 12 over 90 for this one. So let's just backtrack and make sure we're understanding this bit. So when I said here, I want red and then another red, that means times. And then I could have this one, which is green and then another green. So that's times again. But notice the language I'm using. If I want to work out a probability that it takes 2 marbles of the same color, I either want this, which is this number here, or I want this one. And when we say or in probability, we mean add. So that's where we say 30 over 90, and then we're going to add on the 12 over 90, and that gives us 42 over 90. The question very clearly says work out the probability. 42 over 90 is a probability, so do not simplify. That is your final answer.